Hi, I'm Juliette and welcome to my step warm-up series. Today we will do very simple and fun to follow 32 count step aerobic combination. You can use it as a step warm-up or you can use it as a quick and effective cardio workout by itself. So let's begin. March it out. March it out. Good marches, guys. Good marches. Pick it up. We're gonna have so much fun. And one more time. Up. Tap the bench. Tap, tap, tap. Just waking up. Tap, 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 tap. 4, 3, 2, 1. And give me basic. Up, 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 up. Great job. We have 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, guys. In corner top, corner top. Very good. So we're gonna start build this 32 count combination. Very simple. I will break it down into 2 parts and then we're gonna put things together. Give me 4 basics. 4, 3, 2. In corner top, break. Good. So our basics is just 4 basics. Give me 4 basics. We're gonna start building from here. 3, 2. In corner tops. 4, 3, 2. 4 basics. One more time, just to make sure we good. And then I will start to change from there. And you know what's next. Corner top. Corner top. So next time I will replace first 2 basics with 2 lunges. You stay the same. Let's go. And 2 basics left as it was, guys. Corner top. Good. Very good. 2 more. So let's try together. 2 lunges instead of those 2 basics. And 2 basics left as it was. Nothing changed yet. Corner top. Corner top. 2 more. 2 lunges back, repeat. And 2 basics as it was. Corner top, guys. Next time you stay on last 2 basics and I will replace it to turn step. 2 lunges. Same 2 basics. I did turn step, corner top. Good. So all I did, I replaced my last 2 basics for turn step, 2 lunges. Turn step, come on team. Corner top, good. Very good. We're gonna do it a couple more times at least. 2 lunges back. Turn step. Corner top. Let's do it to other side. Repeater knee, guys. Repeat. In corner top. So get ready. In a 4 more count, we're gonna do the same one for a couple times from the left leg. Let's do it. Turn step, guys. Corner top. Let's do it 1 more time from this side, just to make sure. 2 lunges. Turn step. Corner top. Very good. 3, 2. Repeater knee. Let's go. In corner top. So what repeater knee does, it just changes the size for us. Very good. I'm moving forward. Give me 2 basics. 2. In 1 repeater knee. 2 basics. 1 repeater knee. In corner top. So we start to build second part of this 32 count combination. Please don't forget the first part in a 4. So it's basic for us. 2 basics and repeater. Let's go do it. 1, Repeater knee. Good. Higher repeater knee. Let's go. 1, 2. Repeater. Corner top. Very good. Corner top. Corner top. So we have 4 more. We're gonna do it one more time with me, just to make sure. Our base, right? 2 basics. 1. Repeater knee, big one. Hoop. In basic. 1 and 2. Repeater knee. That was excellent job. Corner top. I think we're ready to add on. So those 2 basics will become walk over the bench and back. For the first time, just watch and stay on the basics. Same 2 basics. I walk, I get back. Repeater. Let's go. I walk, I tap. Go back and tap. Repeater. Excellent. Corner tap. Good. So all we did, those 2 basics became walk. Walk over. Let's do it together, nice and quiet. No arms this time. Walk over the bench. Up, up, tap, go. Repeat. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Repeater. Excellent. Corner tap. Let's add some arms, a little bit more fun. So while we're gonna walk over, we're going to use our arms a little bit more. 4, 3, 2. Another 4. 4, 3, 2. Get ready. Walk over. Big. Repeat. One more. Over. Repeat. And tap the corners. Tap it. Basic right. Hold it. Corner tap, guys. Very good. So stay on your corner taps. Let's do it one more time. Nice and beautiful. Big arms and maybe add the hop. Let's go. Over. Little hop. 5, 6. And repeater. Go. Over that bench. Big one. Big. Repeater. Corner tap, Steve. Corner tap. Great job. Great. Let's do 4 more. Just one more time to make sure. Let's go. Do it now. Go. Repeater knee. Over that bench. Repeater knee. Corner tap. I'm so proud of you guys. So proud of you. So we have 4 more. I'm gonna start to modify and change that repeater knee. You say what you know. Over that bench. All I'm doing, I'm taking those knee to alternation. Up, over, back. Alternate that knee on the side. Corner tap. So really nothing changed. It's the same repeater knee. I just took it on the side of the bench. In a 4, we're gonna try together. 3, 2, strong arms. Over that bench, guys. Up. On the side. 3, alternate. Over that bench. Use those arms. 3, 2, corner tap. I think we're ready to add on. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna start to change those knees. You do what you know and just watch. Over that bench. You do 3. Did you see it? All I did the first knee as it was. Second one became the top on the bench, corner top. That's all I did. So second knee will become top on the bench. Big, beautiful arms. Up Over that bench, guys. Up. One knee up, one open, knee up as it moves. Open. Back. One knee, one tap. Corner taps. Excellent job. Excellent job. Keep that energy going. So we have one more knee to change. You do what you know, please. Over the bench. One knee up, one tap, and beautiful arabesque. Back. One knee as it moves, one tap with me, beautiful arabesque. Corner tap. So already the third knee became side arabesque. When you point your toes, take your arms nice and deep. Let's do it together in a second. Go, 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 over. Big one. With me, guys. Knee up, top. Beautiful arabesque. Over, back, knee, top. Beautiful side arabesque. Corner top. Good job. We're gonna do it one more time just to make sure we're good. Then we will go back to the first part. Remember it and put everything together. So second part for now. Over that bench. Come back. 3. Top. Beautiful arabesque. Let's do it again. Big one. Reach. Top. Arabesque. Tap the corners. Fantastic work. So in the 4 more, we will remember the first one. It was simple. 2 lunges. And third step. Are you ready? 2 lunges. Turn step, my friends. Repeater knee. Corner top. Let's do the first part from the other side. Lunge. Come on. Turn step, guys. Repeater knee to come back. Corner top. Give me 8 more corners. 8. So we're gonna put first one and second one together. Keep your mind alert. I need your help. 2 lunges. Let's go. Turn step. Come on, guys. Wake up, wake up. Over the bench. Big arms. Let's go. 2 lunges. Turn step. Over the bench. Big arms. Very good. In 3, 2, 1. Corner top. Corner top. Corner top. Very nice. Corner top. In a 4. Let's do it again. No mistakes this time. Are you ready? Let's go do it. Turn step. Over the base. Back. 3, guys. 3. Open. Arabesque. 2 lunges. Turn step. Beautiful. Over the base. Excellent. Give me 3. 1 knee, 1 top, arabesque, corner top, corner top. You're doing awesome. Corner top, corner top. Let's do it one more time. Nice and deep. Nice and deep. 2. All right, let's go. 2 lunges. Turn step with me. Big steps. Over that bench, guys. 3. 1 knee, 1 top. Let's go. 2 lunges. Turn step. Very nice. Over the bench. In 3. Corner top. Fantastic job. Good work, guys. Shall we do it a couple more times? Non-stop. Right and left, and then again. Of course. 2 lunges. Go, 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 go. Turn step. Big steps. Over. Big one. Beautiful. 3. Open. Let's do it again. 1. Turn steps in. Excellent. Take it up. Back. And give me 3. Top. Good job. 2 lunges. Don't stop. Turn step. Keep moving. Over that bench. Big smile and move, guys. A lot of energy. 3. Open top. 3D1. Let's go. 2 lunges. Turn step. Over that bench. Keep that posture. 3. Tap the corners. Tap your corners. Tap your corners. Tap your corners. Tap your corners. In the 4. 3. 2. March it out. Excellent job, everybody. We had such a fun time. Reach. Hopefully you warmed up because I did. One more time. So come back soon. Great job.